let's break down our quick vocabulary and listening skills here. Heel. Scotty, heel. Come to my left side. Good heel. Let's go. You're moving. Easy. Be aware of yourself. Slow yourself down if you need to. Okay? Right? So, heel. Right? Come means come to me, obviously. Scotty, come. Now if I back up, Scotty will come to me as far as I back up. Good man. I'm going to reward that because Miss Molly's going to bark at us. It's a huge piece, dude. Yeah, you can have a big piece. Why not? I'm going to spoil him. Sorry, guys. He's going to get a little spoiled. We're sitting right in front of Miss Molly barking at him. Done? Heel. Good. So heeling back at my side. Here we go. So come, let's go. Easy. Wait. Wait. Wait is a nice temporary pause. Good. Let's go. Good boy. Scotty, sit. Sit means to sit. I see he's still chewing a piece of his snack, it looks like. Good. Sit. Stay. Stay means to stay there. If I tell him to stay, I come back. I can reward, or I can just come back and release. Let's go. Okay. Anytime I tell him to stay, though, it's always stay, and I come back to him. Okay, so remember to practice it that way. Right? Good job, Scotty. I know. Good healing, Papa. Good healing. I'm going to keep you focused for a little longer. So here as we get to the sidewalk, if I stop, he should stop. Right? He knows a good wait. It's the same thing as me opening the door, walking out. Let's go. We invite him. Good man. Okay. If your neighborhood, we're going to be careful right here because it's a little wet, but if your neighborhood doesn't have sidewalks, you can walk them on your left, and you will heel on your left. You will always heel to the left. Let's go. Good. Let's go. Oh, come here, Scotty. Sorry. Walking on our right, you will walk on your right. Okay, so if you don't have sidewalks, walk them to the side. Hey. I'm gonna try to come back to my left. Good boy. Good. Okay, up, up. Up means to navigate, climb, jump, get on top of something, go around something, figure it out. Up. Up, up. The more excited you get, the better he'll do, or the more excited energy you'll put into it. Look at all these cars go by us. Real fast. Good, Scotty. Let's go. Good man, Scotty. We have our nice walking. I can't pinch it, but one finger. He's walking with us. He's not pulling. Toss that over him. Let him drag it. Have a choice. Okay. Right, Scotty? Yeah, good man. Okay. Let's see. Here we got his toy. Go ahead, take that toy. Let's go. You dropped your toy. It's not the one you want right now? Okay. Ugh. It goes, I'll tug with you. Okay. Oh. Aha. Give it the bag. Sit. Sit for his toy. Stay. Good stay. Let's go. We're at the park, so you might want something more exciting than that. Leave it. Let's go. Good. Leave it means to ignore whatever it is he's not supposed to pay attention to. So if it's not his, leave it. Drop it obviously means to let go of something. What else, Big Scotty? What else do we got to talk about today? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, Scotty. I didn't mean to step on your leash. Oh, I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. I looked up for a second and I wasn't paying attention where I was stepping. Sorry, Scotty. I'm sorry. Let's give you a piece of food for that one, honey. Oh, yeah, you deserve a good little cracker right there. Oh, excuse me. You cut me off for? That's how you're gonna get yourself in trouble there, boy. Nice day. I stopped, so he stopped. Or paused. You know, same. Oh, Scotty. Yeah, you keep stepping on your own leash, man. Cool. We're gonna have some fun time on the field right now. We'll get back to other things. Oh, potty time. Yes, good man. Leave it. Good boy. Let's go. Thank you. Good boy. You want a toy? Look, we got a rope. Big, huge rope for Scotty. Oh, that's my big man. Oh, he's so strong. Oh, he's so strong. Oh. You're so strong. Nice long rope so I don't have to bend down so much. Oh. Drop it. Drop it. Good. That didn't mean you can has it. Drop it. Sit. Okay. Woohoo! Scotty! That's my Scotty. Ah, come here. Good boy, where's your toy? Go get it. Forgot the rope. I forgot it. Yeah, how you supposed to beat me up if you don't got your toy to beat me up with? Huh? Oh, careful. Careful. Sometimes you think you're so big. Sorry, buddy. I'm the biggest Scotty ever. Oh. Drop it. Okay. Woohoo, Scotty! Oh, you figured it out. You grabbed it from the middle that time. Good job. Sit. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Scotty, come. Good boy. Okay. He has this whole park to play with and run around. He's choosing to play with me because I'm being fun and interesting. I don't even have to do much. Best part about Scotty. Just gotta put in a little bit of effort. And this guy does, oh, so much of the work for you. Just by having fun, just by being a good boy. Ugh. Let him win that, let him carry it for a second. No, you'd rather come to me? Where's your toy? Good, let's go. Bring it along. Toy's not as important as me, huh? Good. Good to know. I go for it. Oh, we're gonna play. What a good dog, Scotty. What a great dog.